Moving and renaming in Unix is actually the same operation, as renaming a file is nothing more than moving it to the same location in the file system, but under a different name. The command that allows us to do that is therefore called mv, which naturally stands for move, and as you can see, it has a pretty similar synopsis to the cp command. If we want to rename a file or a directory, for example, all we have to do is use mv, the file we want to rename, and the new name we want to give it, which roughly translate to move this file under the same directory with a different name. To now physically move a file without necessarily renaming it, we can just write the path of the file we want to move and the target directory we want to move it into. I of course encourage you to also use the interactive flag I to prompt you for confirmation whenever entries are overlapping, or the non-overriding flag N in order to silently skip them. Finally, to move several files at once, simply list all of the files you want to move succeeded by the target directory you want to move them into.